Hello friends and family, this is Erica. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm looking forward to sharing with you this festive trio of adorable pumpkins that I made with supplies from Dollar Tree. Dress up some pumpkins without the mess of carving and add these beautiful neutral decor items to your fall motif with just a few dollars. I really love how all three of these DIYs turned out. They are easy to make, budget-friendly designs with a high-end look that will add warmth and texture to your existing decor. This video is part of a pumpkin decorating challenge called Pumpkin Pizzazz, hosted by Sammy from Unicorn Dust Designs and co-hosted by Corey from Crafted by Corey. As part of this challenge, this video is a part of a playlist which you'll find in the description box. Please check out the playlist after you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed today's journey with me, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you're subscribed and that you click the bell so that you get notified each week when I post a new video. So let's jump in and get started with these three adorable projects. Let's take a look at the supplies you'll need. Everything except for the glue gun came from Dollar Tree for just $1 each. First, you'll need 3 of these glass vase fish bowls, a woven rug. This one is gray and white. They also have tan and white, green and white, and black and white. This fleece baby blanket, which they also have in different colors and patterns like gray and white stripe. This mop head. Six feet of jute cord. Pick up a bag of these stems from Dollar Tree because you'll need 6 stems. This pack of burlap leaves. It comes in a pack of 5, but you just need 3. And, of course, the hot glue. First, let's make the Mop Head pumpkin. Now is when you get to see me struggle. After finally opening it, I struggled to get the little plastic piece off. So, you need to remove this little plastic piece with some wire cutters. You cut it at an angle here, and then you pull it off and pull out the mop head. Lay it flat, straightening it on both sides. Set the glass vase on top, wrap and tuck in the ends of all of those strings. Flip it over upside down and arrange the fibers so that they go evenly all the way around the pumpkin. Next, we're going to create the stem. First, get 2 pieces that are approximately the same size. You'll also need your hot glue and 2 feet of jute cord. First, put the glue on the bottom of the stem, add your jute cord, and then keep wrapping around. I only use glue on the first layer and the top layer. Once you get to the center, put a line of glue and finish it off there. We are going to prepare the burlap leaves. The leaves were a little bit too big for the pumpkin, and so I decided to cut them down. All that I did is take a small pair of scissors and I trimmed an even amount off of the entire edge of the leaf. So I just went all the way around, trimming off about 1/4 to 1/2 inch on every side. It'll make sense as you watch me do it. Do the same to all 3 of your leaves. Next, insert the leaf and the stem and arrange it until you like how it looks. let's make the baby blanket pumpkin. First, get your fleece baby blanket out. And I was really impressed with the quality of these. They're very soft. Remove the tags as to not make any holes in your blanket. And then we're going to lay the blanket flat. Unfold it until it's just folded in half. So you have 2 layers. It'll be 2 layers thick. Next, take the short sides first and put them into the vase. Then take both ends and just scrunch them in there. Next, we're going to take our burlap leaf and just stick it inside. Because they have little wires throughout, you can fix it and bend the leaves the way that it looks good to you. Now you could also put a hot glue dot on the bottom of the stem to make it stay, but I chose to leave mine without any glue so that way I can reuse all of the parts of the pumpkins later. And this is the result of the baby blanket pumpkin project. Try saying that 3 times fast. I think they turned out beautiful, and I hope you agree. Now, there are other choices of this baby blanket at Dollar Tree, like I mentioned. They did have one that was gray and white striped, and I thought that would be really cute too. Last, let's make the pumpkin with the woven rug. After you've laid your rug flat, put the bowl in the middle. Take the short ends first, tuck them in, and then take the ends with the tassels and tuck those in. Be careful not to break your glass vase. You just want to use your thumbs at the end and sort of tuck the fabric around the edges of the opening of the vase. That's about it. That's as easy as it gets to take a woven rug and put it in a glass vase so it looks like a pumpkin. Other than that, just add your burlap leaf and your stem, and voila, the 3rd pumpkin is done. And this is the result of the pumpkin made out of the woven rug. The best part about not using a glue gun to glue the stem in is that you can reuse this rug, or the stem or the leaf, but specifically you can reuse the rug and the vase for any other project that you want. I really love how all 3 of these DIYs turned out. They are easy to make, budget-friendly designs with a high-end look. I hope you've enjoyed DIYing with me today. Let me know that you liked the video by giving me a thumbs up. Each and every like you give helps to support me and my channel. In the comments below, tell me which project was your favorite. Are you going to be making any of these pumpkins this season? Please be sure to subscribe and click the bell to set your notifications. Thanks for your support, friends and family. You mean the world to me.